Welcome to So Talkies.
When we plan for a family tour, we are all energetic and excited to explore new landscape and scenery. And we all sit together and discuss at what time should we leave, mode of transport, cost of food, accommodation, tickets, and local visit. And we budget the total cost of making a successful trip to each stage of the tour. Similarly, in financial planning, we set a budget for each stage of our life, such as weddings, buying a car, buying a home, and international travel and retirement, for which we regularly invest from our monthly income over a period of time to cover these costs. This helps us to understand when we need money, how much money do we need, and how to get that money at right time. But in the time of our ancestors, there was no financial planning at all. But they lived happily with little savings because they considered savings as the first expenses. In those days, they spent only what they needed for their livelihood. They relied on only a single source of income to buy. So, why financial planning is so important in today's life? The truth is, a person's income level is high and there are many sources of income from your family. On the other hand, the expenses we incur for our current lifestyle are high under many categories, and we have no clue at all what we are spending and why. When our savings in a bank account are exhausted, we use credit cards to make expenses as additional source to get money, assuming our income is regular and we are so blind that we can gain in the future. Considering these circumstances, financial planning is needed to spend our earnings wisely. In general, for a healthy life, we keep our body with enough vitamins like vitamin A, B, C, and D. Likewise, vitamin M, that is, money, is essential for our healthy financial life to manage unforeseen expenses. So, how can we deal with the expenses? The smart way is we can use the simple principle that income minus savings, the rest is for our expenses. Once we receive our monthly income, let keep aside for savings and this can be considered for our regular expenses. I agree, this can be difficult for the first few months, but you may find a good savings on hand once you start applying this. Let's say your income is 35,000. The basic rule is to save 20% of your total income, which comes to 7,000 here, and the remaining amount after saving as 28,000. You need to manage your monthly expenses with 28,000. By now with this, you are focused on where you want to spend and the purpose of spending. According to the World Bank, gross domestic savings in few countries has declined in 2019 compared to the last 15 years, indicating lower savings for most people in Asian countries. I believe this is the right time to focus on financial planning. There is a little story about self-discipline for financial planning. Here it goes. There is an army training camp near the mountain where all young soldiers get up at 4 am and start their training at 5 am. They exercise for 3 hours and take a break for breakfast, wash their clothes and start again their workout and again for a meal break and continues the training till the sunset. The same schedule was repeated for 10 days. A soldier from the camp approached his captain and asked why the same task was repeated, saying he was bored. To explain to the soldier, the captain points to the river that flows down the hill and asks where the river begins and ends its journey. Soldier said it starts at this mountain and ends at the sea. The captain asked why we need river banks on both sides, and he explained to his soldier that when there are no river banks on either side, the river disappears in the middle and the river never reaches its destination. Just as the river has its own discipline to run in the middle of the path to reach the sea. Likewise, if you do the same task every day, it becomes a habit and obeys your own principles. Similarly, if you make savings every month, it will become a habit like river banks. This habit keeps your money flow towards your destination without being diverted. This self-discipline requires more in the financial planning. Otherwise, the hard-earned money will never help us when we need it. We must obey to self-discipline and continue to invest from our monthly income to deal with the large expenses in the future. And finally, if you lead your life with the savings, you know where to focus and what your dream is. Whereas, if you lead your life with the liabilities, your mind always anticipates shuffling money from one hand to another, and you are always looking for a temporary solution to fix, and you are wasting your time and future as well.
Please subscribe to our channel to get more updates, and do let us know your feedback and list down your requirements in comments field. Thank you.